Welcome this video. Outdoor Pergola design idea. A pergola is a style and functional add to any outdoor space, whether you want to create lush retreat an outdoor dining area or a space for entertain guests. A wall design pergola can enhance the beauty and usability of your backyard. Here are some inspire pergola design idea to help you create the perfect outdoor oasis. Classic wood pergola. Traditional wood pergola is a timeless choose that blend seamless with natural of high quality water resisting wood like canvas, redwood or tile. You can sub or plant its to match your outdoor aesthetic. Add gambo plants like urban for a natural shade like modern minimalist pergola for a comprehensive choose or sleep minimalist pergola is clean line material like aluminum stain or compromising size. Wood can give your pergola a modern feel. Consider incorporating roof or monetize like to control sunlight and shade with area. Relax pergola with natural elements. A artistic pergola design embrace beauty of nature. Use reclaimed wood or bamboo for a cozy original feeling.